This old guy DIY video has to do with getting to know a 2010 Polaris RZR. So I stopped by the house of a hot chick that I know the other day, and she had this thing. And I said, "What are you doing with a fancy little four-wheeler like that?" And she said, "It was given to me as a gift." I said, "Who gives a machine like this as a gift?" She said, "Well, maybe you should try being nicer and you'd find out." So over the next few weeks, I'll put a few videos out there that have to do with getting to know this machine. I don't know anything about side-by-sides, and I'm the guy that's going to be fixing this for her, I'm sure. So in the name of preventive maintenance, the first thing I did was pulled out the little access panel there so I could get in and check the oil. The oil level was fine, but it looked pretty dirty. And there was an owner's manual laying in this thing. The owner's manual showed that the last maintenance was done in 2020, so 5 years ago, when there was about 7,500 miles on this machine. And today, according to the odometer, it has 8,500. I'm going to start by changing the spark plugs, changing the oil. I ordered a new drive belt, so I'll have to take all this stuff out and put a new drive belt in there. I'll clean out the air filter, and some of the lights don't work. So I started working on things here. Over the next few weeks, I'll go through, and as I work on various things here and learn how the machine comes apart and how to fix stuff, I'll share that with you. And in the meantime, I guess this is what you get. If you're nice, a good cook, people appreciate you. So I hope you'll watch the videos I make later on. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you for watching.